what happens, they want to have dinner with some cities. So you go down to La Holly Kalani and you sit under the banyan tree and have dinner with the Secretary of Defense or the Vice President or whoever you get invited in because you've got this little volunteer job that you do. Pretty fascinating to meet some of these folks along the way. Maybe we'll talk more about that. And number 5, true or false?
True.
True? So we'll pick out a couple weeks during the semester and take a look at what's in the opinion section. You might, if you're curious about education, take a look at last Sunday's op-eds. There's about 2/3 of a page on the value of education. It's talking about cost of going to the university and what's happening with those costs and how it's affecting people. So pretty interesting topic. If you are curious and don't have anything else to read here as the semester gets started. So that's an example of what we will spend about a half hour on each Friday. Which section would you like to do next Friday? Front section? Everybody okay with front section? Now it's got a little bit more international news in it, right? So some world news. We'll try to confine it to articles that are in the front section and in the shaded columns on the left. So if you're familiar with the journal, you probably know what I'm talking about. If not, down along the left side, there is kind of business and finance section at the top and then worldwide section at the bottom. So I'll only ask about topics, articles that are in here. If we can find something that's got some legs to it, right, so it's in more than one journal, you can think that might be in there. Yeah, Skip.
So this alternate question at the end, is that going to be on every week's quiz?
Yeah.
Okay.
So pick a favorite. So it's pretty straightforward, right? We'll have about 6 indexes. We'll choose 2 of those 6 and ask about those, and you'll be able to get a drift. So next week it's going to be the Treasury and the Dow. And then pick an article that's your favorite and write about that. So there's 3 points right there. So out of the other 3, you got to get 2 right.
Thank you.
So those index questions is always going to be the Friday morning, right?
Yeah.
You don't ask like, oh, when they close out on Wednesday, Saturday.
You want me to?
I don't know why not.
No? Okay, it'll be Friday. Friday will always work. So Friday morning's column is Thursday's close. That will always work. If you want to be more contemporary than that, that's fine. If you want to do something else, just let me know what it is. If you don't have it. Yeah. Right. Brandon?
So I have the student subscription that I bought, and it says it expires in November. I'm wondering if that's wrong, if something's going on there.
We'll check it out. Can we check that out, Stephanie?
Right, there's just lots of different things that people use to get their subscriptions. It might depend on the time.
There was a $15 for 15 weeks.
Sean, speak up.
It'll automatically renew with $15 for every 3 months after.
Oh, okay. $15 renewal, so you have to cut it off?
No, it'll automatically go.
Yeah, but if you want to stop the 50, well, no. Everybody's going to want to read from here on out.
But there's free articles you see to it.
Anything else?